How to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing. First off, find the TikTok app in your home screen and long press on the TikTok app. Click on the Clear Cache option. If the problem is still persisting after clicking on it, all you have to do is go to the settings and scroll down until you see General. Click on iPhone storage and then scroll down until you see the TikTok app. Click on TikTok app and then offload the app. After offloading the app, after a few seconds, you will have an option to reinstall the app. Click on it and let the app reinstall. If the problem is still persisting, go to the TikTok app by searching it up and then go to the profile section. On the top right corner, you have three horizontal lines. Click on that option, and once you click on it, you can see settings and privacy in the third line. Click on settings and privacy and scroll down until you see free up space option under cache and cellular. Click on free up space, and this might take a few seconds, but after it is calculated, TikTok will present you your cache data and your downloads data. Click on clear cache and then click on clear downloads. After this has been cleared, you can easily solve the problem of TikTok favorite sounds not showing. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.